Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Thanks for joining me. Please like this video. I appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel as well as we build it up. Thank you so much indeed. We're in Malibu, California, and this price point is really good, $13.5 million for this most beautiful home. It really is quite stunning. It's great value for money. It's on the golf course. It's in the club, in the beach club, which gives you access to lots and lots of things. But look at the starting picture. We have huge indoor-outdoor flow looking over the Pacific Ocean. Stunning. Wood floors, huge. I always call these walls. I don't call them doors. These are sliding walls with glass in them, pushing back and giving us this massive view of the ocean. Look at that. The pool outside looks so good. A water feature drips off there, but a lovely pool looking out to the sea with that infinity effect. A great place to relax and unwind. We see the neighbors here, but we see the main house up the top, solar panels in there. We've got some of the golf course taking place here. We certainly do. And a terrace garden almost, and a delightful position in Malibu. Isn't that fabulous? Yes, indeed. So you enter on in, double garage there. Could be a triple, actually. And we see a pitched roof looking out over there. And very nice indeed. In the entrance we go. Glass balustrade there, heading on upstairs. Views out to the left, as we said, with the kitchen looking out all day long. Is this John Lennon? I think possibly is. And then lots of shrubberies. The ocean view dominating the entire property. Fireplace looks great. Big high chimney there. And again, sliding doors opening us up to the ocean, making it grand and exciting. The lifestyles of the rich and famous with this huge island. The timber complements it well. Big stainless fridge freezer. Lots to enjoy. Big splash back there too. We've got this sort of coved area here for morning dining, looking out at the ocean again as the main feature. Why wouldn't it be? In Malibu, master bedroom looks out over the views of the very low bed. Must be how they like to sleep. Some people prefer that. Mattress on the ground. A lovely, almost fire pit style gas fireplace. Big dog, and more. As we head around, would you like this? Imagine being here every single day, waking up, being inspired by the sea breezes, and enjoying the relaxation of a beautiful home. And this ensuite says it all too. Huge shower there, picture window outside, obviously a lot of privacy with that regard. Then views over the rooftop from the spa bath here, and stunning views with the palm outside. Double sink ensuite, and views to the ocean again. All over this place. What a beauty. Hedges, mature trees, and more, showing the age of the home, but also a very enjoyable place indeed. Look at that. Out the back, lots to like. Lots of spare space to use and enjoy. The front is just a showpiece and a great place for relaxation indeed. Yoga and more. Golf course just over the edge, and it's a lovely. Lots of succulent plants in the ground. And more. So, lots of chances to get up on your golf, especially your putting, based on the backyard of this home. Beautiful, beautiful indeed. Relax and unwind and enjoy the hills, the views, and more. There's lights there too for night putting. And what an experience indeed. What a unique property. Very different. Enjoy the almost, I think those are railway sleepers there for steps coming down. There's a great view as well, a magical view, matter of fact, from the corner of the property against the ocean, looking inland. And it's very nice indeed. Lovely lines and beautiful tiles along the pool as well. So big area for barbecues and entertainment. Have lots of friends over to enjoy this most impressive home indeed. Maybe even have John Lennon come to visit based on that painting. But it really is quite nice. Yes, indeed. Nightlight shots here. Lovely use of LED lights. And views out forever. Both sides of the coast. The fire pit in full flame. It is a lovely example of a home in Malibu. Local beach, local club, the beach club, and more. And this property has rights to the beach club, so lots on offer there as well. There we have it. 22407 Carbon Mesa Road, Malibu, California, 90265. $13.5 million. Worth every penny with those views, and they are simply stunning. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. And we'll catch you on the next one as we look at properties here and around the world each week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.